Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to automatically AirPlay content from your iPhone to nearby AirPlay compatible TVs or speakers. It's a pretty simple feature that makes streaming seamless and effortless. That's it, let's get started. So first and foremost, make sure your iPhone and the target device, whether it's a TV or a speaker, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Besides, also ensure that Bluetooth is turned on for proximity detection. And then you have to launch the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to choose the general option. And after that, you have to select AirPlay and continuity option. And then you have to choose the automatically AirPlay option at the top. And finally, you have to select the automatic option to let your iPhone automatically stream content to the most suitable nearby AirPlay device without any prompts at all. For seamless audio playback, I would recommend you to enable transfer to HomePod toggle as well. This allows you to transfer audio effortlessly to a nearby HomePod by just moving your iPhone close to it. And once you have chosen your preferred settings, you are all set. Simply play a video, song, or a slideshow on your iOS or iPadOS device, and it will automatically stream to the nearest AirPlay compatible device based on your customization. From what I can tell, this is perfect for enjoying your favorite content on bigger screens or better sound systems without constantly adjusting settings. And there you have it. With these quick steps, you can make the most of AirPlay's automatic streaming feature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.